Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting your iPhone to the laptop. Use the original Lightning or USB-C cable for reliable data transfer. On the phone, unlock and tap Trust when the prompt appears. This grants access. On the laptop, open the Photos app or File Explorer. Once done, select the device in the sidebar. Make sure iCloud Photos is off if you want a full manual copy. Otherwise, the app will sync instead of importing. You now choose which photos to bring over. In Photos app, click Import and pick items, or open DSIM via Explorer and drag selected files. Use Shift or Control to multi-select quickly. This speeds things up. If you prefer everything, click Import All. Make sure to point imports to a specific folder on the laptop so organization is clear. While it transfers, watch the progress bar. Large hike or live photo files take longer, so be patient. You finish by verifying files in the target folder, then safely eject the iPhone before unplugging to avoid corruption. If files are hike and your apps need JPG, convert using Preview or a batch converter. This preserves compatibility. Once done, back up the folder to an external drive or cloud. If something goes wrong, try a different cable or USB port, restart both devices, and check that iPhone storage isn't full. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.